Some people eat a meal and feel satisfied. Others feel hungry again within minutes. They're not weak. They're not lacking discipline. In many cases, their brain is convinced they are starving. I don't understand. I'm hungry all the time. I eat. And 30 minutes later, I want more. Millions of people describe the exact same experience. They aren't fighting their stomach. They're fighting their brain. Deep inside your brain sits a structure no larger than an almond. The hypothalamus. It monitors energy stores, body temperature, stress, sleep, and most importantly, hunger. The hypothalamus acts like mission control, constantly asking one question: do we have enough energy to survive? Fat tissue isn't just storage. It behaves like an endocrine organ. It produces a powerful hormone called leptin. Leptin is the body's fuel gauge. The more fat you carry, the more leptin you produce. The message is simple: we have enough energy. Stop eating. The answer shocked scientists. The brain stopped listening. This condition is called leptin resistance. The hormone is present. The message is being sent, but the signal never reaches its destination. The control center itself may become damaged, making accurate energy sensing increasingly difficult. For most of human history, starvation was the enemy, not obesity. The brain evolved to defend against weight loss, not weight gain. That survival system still exists, but today, it operates inside a world of unlimited calories. Scientists are now targeting the brain itself. New medications work by restoring satiety pathways, helping the hypothalamus recognize what it has forgotten. For some patients, the constant hunger finally fades. The greatest misconception about obesity is that it is simply a failure of willpower. Every meal, every craving, every feeling of fullness is decided by a structure smaller than your thumb. The question isn't how much food is in your stomach. The question is, what does your brain believe?
Every signal tells relights the dark through better planning.
Welcome to NeuroVerse. NeuroVerse, the future of anatomical intelligence.